I know we
don't give a damn. It's like, yeah, fuck it, you know. Like, I know there's fucking ice. It's like, fuck it, man. We get stuck out here. There's hardly no traffic. God damn. It's a ghost town. It's
we're
like,
pretty chill in the hazard.
yeah, and we're very chill. Look at these. Someone climb up here to the fucking highway. Fucking crazy people. Bro, they sit on this review, you know, just use the 4-wheel drive. You know, it's like designed for this. You know, there's only one way to find out. It's like, shit. Yeah, these bridges are the most slipperiest ones. Oh shit. Come on, people. Don't slow down. It's like, fuck, man. We're gonna start slipping, especially here. Yeah, there we go. Like, the street lights are not working, by the way, guys. Can you believe it? They're not working, literally. We're going to the corner stuff. Hope for the best. What's good?
What's good? Like Cheetos are good. That's what's good.
Yes, look. You have to see this, guys. Look at
Cheetos,
the line.
hot
It
Cheetos,
goes around.
alcohol, nicotine, everything you need.
We are in this big ass line. What the fuck is a ghost town? Damn!